Hello guys, welcome to the current series of JMeter tutorial for beginners. So in this video we are going to learn about BadBoy Tool. So let us just simply head over to this website, say google.com. We'll be looking for BadBoy Tool over here. BadBoy Tool is deprecated right now. It was last developed in 2014. You can see that. Now there would be a lot of links here, but what you have to do is that you need to go to this particular link. Other links might work, might not work. Most of them are just misguiding links, right? So over here, this is the website from where you can download BadBoy 2.1, right? And simply go here. See, you would see a lot of download links, start now, start download. Do not click there. These are advertisements. If you notice something, this is an advertisement. This is also advertisement. There is mentioned here that this is advertisement. This is not mentioned here, right? But the actual download link is here. So just click over here. It will take you to the page from where you can download the file. Again, this is advertisement. This is advertisement. This is not the advertisement. So this is where you have to click, right? And it will start downloading. It will take a little bit time for the download to get completed. Once it has started the download, you can see this over here, right? So this is how you can download BadBoy Tool. Now there are few things that you need to keep in mind while working with BadBoy. That is, it only works with JMeter 2. It does not work with latest version of JMeter. So make sure that you have the older version of JMeter, and then only you would be able to work with the scripts with this, right? So once downloaded, you can install it. Installation is pretty easy. Once installed, it looks something like this. Now what this is simply a browser with some extra functionality. So they are just replicating Internet Explorer. For example, if I go to this website, that is www or say jmeter.apache.org, right? So if I go there, you can see that it is recording the step, right? Now it will give you a script errors like this. This is because it is using the older version of everything, right? Internet Explorer is deprecated and it is using a lot of old things, right? But yes, it will intercept the requests. If I go to this download releases, you can see that it is intercepting the requests and it is recording a lot of things, right? So over here, once you're done with this, what you can do is that you can save this, and this saves the things like this. That is the BadBoy script, right? The extension is BB or BX, right? And here the next thing is, now say you're done with the script. What you can do is you can go to the file and you have the option of export to JMeter. Simply click here and it will ask you for the file name. So say I'll keep the file name as this and I'll be saving this in my desktop, script.jmx, right? So this is done. Now let us just try opening this script. So over here in JMeter, this is the latest version of JMeter. If I try opening that file, what would happen? So this is my desktop. Here the file is this script.jmx. If I try to open it, it will give me an exception that it is not able to open it, right? Now the thing is, to work with it, what you have to do is that simply download the older version of JMeter. How you can do that? Go to this official website of JMeter, jmeter.apache.org, go to download releases. Here look for archives. Now here Apache JMeter archives, just look for this thing, and you can see that right now it is showing us the JMeter 5.2.1, right? And if you go to this parent directory, you would notice that there are a lot of things, right? So we need to look for JMeter and binaries. If you notice something, there are a lot of versions now, right? You can download any of the versions. So what I'll do, I'll simply download the first version, that is JMeter 2.10, right? And once we download this, you can see that it would be done downloading in a moment. It was a smaller file rather than the current file, right, as compared to the current file, and it is almost done now. So once you are done with this, we can open this current version of JMeter, that is 2.10. Okay. So once the download is complete, you can extract the content, and I'm just opening this file. So what you can do is you can simply extract the content, and I'll be extracting it somewhere where, let us just see that. So the plain old location, same batches, JMeter videos, JMeter 5.2.1, no, 2.10, right? So 2.10 and click OK. It will take a little bit time, and once done, we can head over to that directory. So this is the directory, A drive, batches, JMeter videos 2.10, bin, and simply run this apache jmeter.jar. Nothing has changed since then. As you can see that this is running. There is a little bit visual change. Apart from that, other things are same, right? And we can make the things look same. Now this looks the same way. This looks, I can specify the same theme over here as well, system, and you can see that everything is same, nothing is changed. Okay, now the thing is you can open that script here. So file, open, and head over to desktop, script.jmx, and you're done, right? This is the BadBoy test plan, and you can see that it has some steps, right? So these are the things it has recorded. You can try executing this test, right? And you can try executing this script. Everything is there. If you notice something, the server name, the path, right, the port number, the protocol, right, the things are something here and there, but everything is here the same way the other versions of JMeter has, right? Then download jmeter.cgi, protocol HTTPS, port number 443, server name is this, right? The basics won't change. There are a little bit cosmetic changes, but the basics won't change, right? So over here, this is how you can record the script with BadBoy, and this is how you can work with it, and you can use it whenever you are not able to work with, say, BlazeMeter or automated recorder, right? Thank you.